Union Special 6900 with a 3/16 of an inch needle spacing, with Tex 80 for the needle thread and Tex 60 for the looper thread, all indigo dyed thread. With just a regular folder off eBay, and yeah, that's it. I can probably go faster, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going slow, just so I can extend the minutes. This thing, I've timed it perfectly, so it's not going to skip any stitches ever. And it also has this raised look, which I really love. I think it just looks pretty dope. But yeah, so this thing is never going to skip stitches. This is 100 inches or whatever. So, final product.